The Sustainable Futures Lectures are named after the albatross, one of the largest and most inspirational, yet threatened birds on Earth. It tethers to each of our challenge areas and reflects our priorities and our ambitions. Inclusive and prosperous futures. The albatross has long been a symbol of luck and prosperity for seafarers. In the rhyme of the ancient mariner, the albatross around the neck serves as punishment for the mariner who killed an albatross and doomed his ship and crew. Our sustainable futures must be fair and just for all people and things, great and small. Resourceful futures. Albatrosses cover thousands of square kilometres in search of food. The wandering albatross seeks resources from subtropical to Antarctic waters on trips covering up to 10,000 kilometres in just 10 to 20 days. Resilient futures. The wandering albatross survives up to 60 years in the toughest of conditions, though increasingly they fail to reach maturity, many dying before reaching half of that age, and their numbers are dwindling. Climate change is stressing this resilience and highlighting our need to act. Net zero futures. The black-footed albatross depends on low-lying nesting sites in the North Pacific to breed. These are becoming increasingly threatened by climate change through a greater intensity and frequency of storms and the threat of rising sea levels, highlighting the urgency of action. Healthy futures. The albatross is a canary in a coal mine for the health of our natural world. Through their long lives, their bodies are overwhelmed by the weight of waste they consume while foraging at sea, a potent symbol of our impact on the natural world. Polypropylene, nylon, rubber, and metal have been found in the stomachs of 29% of black-browed albatrosses. Inspired and informed futures. Nature can inspire us to make a difference. Raising the profile of the albatross creates awareness of the IUCN Red List and our complex impact on the natural world. The Albatross Lectures will equally highlight the importance of the University of Manchester's exceptional breadth and depth in environmental sustainability research, inspiring our Sustainable Futures community to collaborate and take action.